Today's a travel vlog. So me and my friend Mike are going on a scuba diving trip to Mexico, Cozumel, Mexico, for spring break. And today I'm going to be showing you what I'm packing. So I've got to get mine and Mike's scuba gear. All of this right here, see all that? All of that, mostly. It's this red bag right here. And then all of my camera gear and this guy and what I'm filming this on into this bag right here. Should be interesting. I'm just kidding, dive knives aren't even allowed at Cozumel, so... So that's all of my gear that's going in the red bag. And then I still have to get all of my stuff in there too. And all of this is supposed to be under 50 pounds for our checked bag, so wish me luck. Oh yeah, I forgot. All these guys going in our carry-on bags. Now here's the scariest part about all of this. We gotta weigh this and make sure it's under 50 pounds. Oh, this is gonna be cutting it close. Maybe not close at all, this thing's freaking heavy. It's like 52 pounds. It's so close. God. All right, I'm gonna take out Mike's lights and his mask and see if that does anything. Now I gotta unzip this thing and zip it back up. Do you have any idea how hard it was to zip this thing up? There's Mike's lights. I don't think he really wanted to check these anyway. It's kind of fragile, so let's try this again. 45 pounds? I mean, I'm okay with it. It's underweight now, and 5 pounds is a nice little wiggle room, but 5 pounds for lights and a mask? The rest of it was just like clothes and stuff, which isn't that exciting, so I think that's pretty much everything. Got this guy packed up. Let's see how much he weighs. Not that it's really important, I'm just kind of curious. 30 pounds. About 80 pounds of gear total. That's a lot. But, I mean, there's nothing that I could really leave out that's packed. So this bag is 30 pounds minus my camera. Not terrible. Between the North Face 120 liter duffel and my 50 liter Talopa here, I think that'll be pretty much everything. I'll see you guys in Cozumel.